In this video, we will show you how to adjust the language settings on a Forerunner 165 series smartwatch in the event your watch is in the wrong language. Start by pressing and holding the up menu button. Then scroll down to the last item on the list. This is the system settings. Press the Start/Stop button to select it. Then select the first option on the list. You should now be in the language menu. Press the up or down buttons to scroll through the language options. Finally, select your preferred language. And that's it. You can now update the language setting on your Forerunner 165 series smartwatch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.